Say you deleted a few photos like these straight from your computer, and now you can't find them when you need them. How do you get them back fast? Bitwar is here to save the day. Just head to the Bitwar official website by typing the URL into your browser. Once you're on the site, scroll down a bit until you see the Win version button. Click that to download the software. Fire up Bitwar Data Recovery. The interface has tons of features, but we just need to click the Deep Recovery button. Next, pick the drive where you deleted the photos. We deleted ours from Drive E, so click on Drive E for recovery. Hit Next, then choose the recovery type. Obviously, we'll go with the image option here. Click Scan in the bottom right, then wait a bit while the software looks for the deleted photos. Once it finds all the photos you deleted earlier, scroll down to preview them. Find the ones you need, check all of them, then click the Recover button in the bottom right. Choose a folder path on your computer to save them, and that's it. Check the photos. There's not a single thing missing. That's Bitwar's Deep Recovery for you. Subscribe to us to learn more about the software.